know. Hey, what it do, man? It's Young P right here, sitting up in the motherfucking legend right now. You know what I'm saying? Everybody already know what it is and how I do and how I go and everything that I do and everything that I know. But it's day number 5 of this motherfucking blizzard. I don't even know when this shit gonna stop, man. I ain't making no money, no sales coming through.
I have to stay with my grandma.
I don't even know what to do, man. I'm just tired of this motherfucking snow, you dig? But
anyways, I'll catch you later.
hopefully that bright ass sound gonna really, like, you know what I'm saying, melt something down. My car all fucked up right now. But stay tuned for more of the little broadcast. Day number 5, y'all. Day number 5. Been here since Friday. Today is
Boy, are you crazy?
Wednesday.
And why you just
Nah, Thursday. Damn, it's about to be this day number 6. About to be day number 7.
Get ready for company.
Anyway,
All right.
Blizzard
Greg,
2010.
just tell him don't expect anything special.
Fuck.